Hello YouTube, it's Si here from Si Moto Photo. Welcome back to the channel. We've got something a wee bit special here. We've got the new Scrambler and Speed 400s from Triumph that have dropped with us as a preview before customers start receiving their bikes in January. So a lot of customers were asking, can we get to see it? So this is the first I've ever known for a manufacturer to drop bikes on us before they've actually been launched to the public. But stick with the video to the end. I'm going to give you a little bit of detail about the both models, and I'll tell you as much as I know about them. So stick with us to the end. So let's start with the Speed 400. When it dropped in, I couldn't believe the quality of the finish of the bike. I think that's the biggest thing that stands out for me. So when you look at this paint finish on the bike, now they do the bike in 3 different colours on the Speed. They do it in Carnival Red, they do it in Caspian Blue, and they do it in a Storm Grey, and they've all got this kind of sort of blending the 3 tones on them. And when you look at it, you know, when I first seen the picture, I thought that might have been a transfer. It's not. It's actually lacquered over. It's a phenomenal finish, and the paint looks so deep on the bike. It looks really high quality, just what you would expect with Triumph. The level of the finishing, when you look at the engine's painted black on the bike. Your engine's got your sort of machined ends on the heads. The frame has got almost like a metallic finish to it, similar to what you would get on the Speed Triple. It's got a little grab handle at the back, a bit of a mudguard here that looks really tidy, and a set of bar end mirrors and anodised forks on it. And it's just, it's really striking at how well put together this little bike is. It just looks as if it's, you know, exactly what you expect a Triumph to come out the factory like. It's got a single cylinder, 40 brake horsepower, or 37 Newton meters of torque engine in it, and it's going to be a super frugal bike, 13 litre tank. And I'd imagine you would get, they've not released official fuel consumption figures yet, but I'd imagine you'll get probably circa 75, 80 miles to gallon. So you're going to get a really good range out of that tank. And you know, as most of you that watch the channel know, I've got a monkey bike. The monkey bike's getting at 9-10 horsepower and 9 or 10 Newton meters of torque. So I know how well the monkey rides as a commuter bike. It's great fun. But this bike here is 4 times as powerful, and it's superb looking. Honestly, it really is nice. The bike's 170 kilogram wet weight, and you've got a 790 millimeter seat height. Now, I was sitting in the bike earlier on. I'm 6 foot, and I'm flat footed on both sides with a little bit of a bend in my knee. So it's, you know, it feels really light, and it feels, you know, quite narrow between your legs because it's only a single cylinder. But it's a gorgeous little bike to sit on, and a very, very comfortable seat on the bike as well. But look at the level of detail on it. I mean, you've got the Triumph logo embossed on the handlebar clamp. You've got a little Triumph logo embossed on the fuel cap. You know, you've got your bar end mirrors there that look sort of really good quality mirrors. You've got your Speed 400 embossed on the side of it. You know, you've got your 400cc plate attached to the engine, and you've got your black painted engine, obviously. You know, the whole bike just screams of quality. It's punching well above its weight, and the brake reservoir on the bike's metal as opposed to, you know, plastic that you see in lots of different bikes. You know, even the brake and the clutch lever, they look like decent bits of kit. They don't look like an afterthought. You've got a little, the dashboard on the bike has got an good old fashioned speedometer, but you've also got a bit of an LCD dash there, so you're sort of combining, you know, modern with classic as well. But all in all, this Speed 400 is really spectacular looking for the type of bike it is. You're getting such a good value package and a well-built bike. It is an air-cooled bike, but this is giving it the kind of air-cooled look. But you've got a radiator on the front of it as well, but it's quite stealthy. You don't really see it, so you don't even know it's there. So it's a great looking bike, a really, really stylish looking bike. This is the Scrambler 400X, and this for me is probably one that's going to sell in absolute barrel loads. It is such a chunky looking rugged little bike. It's got 30mm higher seat height than the Speed. It's got an engine bash plate underneath, so if you're going to be taking it off-road or anything like that, it's, you know, it'll stop it from getting damaged underneath. It's slightly taller suspension on it. You've got a set of hand guards that will take the sting out the air if you're commuting in the winter or the early autumn or spring. It will just take the sting off the cold air on your fingers. And it's also got like what you would expect to see in a Scrambler, so it's almost like a Renthal type bar with a T-bar section on it with the pad in the middle with Triumph embossed on the pad, like a brown leather seat. It's not got holes all over it where it's going to saturate water in and get your bum wet when you sit on it. When it's, you know, if you leave it out in the rain, and you've got a set of sort of little tank pads on the side for your knees to grip in your knees. But a beautiful looking bike, absolutely stunning looking bike. The mudguard on the Scrambler is extended at the front as well, almost like a fender extender, just to stop you, you know, flinging muck and stuff up at the radiator if you're taking it off-road. But what a spectacular looking bike, absolutely brilliant. And again, the bikes are coming with LED lights, front, rear, and LED indicators. So, you know, you're getting real good kit in the bike, standard from the factory. Now the Scrambler's 9 kilograms heavier, it's 179 wet weight on the Scrambler, but because of the extra kit you're getting on it, stuff like headlamp guard at the front, your bash plate and your taller suspension, you're getting more stuff on the bike. That's why it's carrying that extra 9 kilograms. And also, you know, you're getting this bike in 3 colours as well. You're getting this colour in the matte khaki green. It's just spectacular in the matte khaki green, actually. A really popular colour. It's coming in carnival red as well, but it's also coming in phantom black. So there's 3 different colour options for the Scrambler. There's 3 different colour options for the Speed. But there you go. The Speed and the Scrambler 400. I hope you like them. If you've got any questions about them, stick them down in the comments section. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you've came across Moto Photo. All things Triumph, wee bit of Harley Davidson content, a little bit of monkey content as well. But 80% of the viewers that watch the channel are not subscribed. So if I have earned your subscription, please, cost you nothing, drop a subscribe on and like the video if you can. But thanks a lot for tuning in to Moto Photo. I hope you like the new 400s and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take it easy.